To stop your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra from ringing when the sleep mode ends, you have to disable wake up alarm within the sleep mode schedule. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap the current schedule you like to disable its wake up alarm. And then tap the blue on off switch next to wake up alarm until the switch turns gray to turn it off. Tap save button to save your selection. And then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now your phone will not ring a wake up alarm sound when the sleep mode ends. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.